Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to IONOS Hosting using the easy method. This is a great way to put your latest pictures and pages onto your website. Let's get into it. First, log into your account. The first step is to sign in to the place where you manage your website. You need to be inside your own private area so the computer knows exactly where you want to put your new files for your project. Go to the IONOS website and type in your secret name and your password. Click the Login button and wait for your main control screen to show up. You must be inside your own private area so the computer knows exactly where you want to put your new files for your project. Next, find the Storage Manager. You need to find the specific tool that lets you look inside your digital folders. Look for a box or a link on your screen that says Hosting or Web Space. Click on the button that says Manage or Use Web Space to see your list of folders. This menu is like a file cabinet for your website. It ensures you are looking at the right spot before you start moving your work into the storage. Next, pick the right folder. Now you need to choose the exact folder where you want your website files to live. Look at the list of folders and click on the one that belongs to your website. Open the folder so you can see the empty space where your new files will go. This is the most important part. If you put files in the wrong folder, your website might not show them. It is the key step to making your project work correctly. Lastly, use the Upload button. The final step is to pick the files from your own computer and send them up to your storage space. Look for a button at the top that says Upload. Pick the files you want from your computer and click Open to start moving them. Once the bar finishes moving, your files are safely in your storage space. Now your website files are ready for the world to see. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To upload files in IONOS, you must first log into your account to get to your tools. Once you are in, you find the Storage Manager to see where your folders are kept. Then you pick the right folder so your files go to the correct website. Finally, you use the Upload button to move the files from your computer into the storage space. This process is like moving papers into a file cabinet so they are safe and ready to use. This straightforward plan makes sure your website projects are full of content and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.